Welcome all. Our course name is Add-on Course on Artificial Intelligence, handled by Mrs. Jasmine J.C. Seja, Assistant Professor, ECE or CET. In this session, we are going to see about artificial intelligence, that is AI. So these are the contents we are going to see here. First, we are going to see the definition of artificial intelligence. Then we are going to see the history of artificial intelligence and the current status, challenges, and future scope of artificial intelligence. Then advantages of disadvantages of artificial intelligence. At last, we are going to see the conclusion of artificial intelligence. So now we are going to see what is AI, that is what is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligent process by machines, especially computer systems. So, specific application of artificial intelligence include expect systems, natural language processing, speech recognition, and machine vision. Artificial intelligence can process large amounts of data in ways that human cannot. The goal for artificial intelligence is to be able to do things like recognize patterns, make decisions, and judge like humans. So, generally, we can say humans will think before going to do some particular task, but the machines won't think. It will work based on what we have programmed. It works based on the user commands, but the artificial intelligence works like a human, that is, it will think and decide. For example, if a person driving a car slept, suddenly the artificial intelligence think and it will make the car to park. So we can say artificial intelligence is the ability of a machine to imitate intelligent human behavior, a branch of computer science dealing with the simulation of intelligent behavior in computers. Then next we are going to see some examples of artificial intelligence. Apple Siri, Google Now, Amazon's Alexa, and Microsoft's Cortana are one of the main examples of artificial intelligence in everyday life. These digital assistants help users perform various tasks from checking their schedules and searching for something on the web to sending commands to another app. They help find useful information when we ask for it using our voice. We can use them to make calls, send messages, as well as set reminders, take notes, recognize music, find great restaurants, check calendar, and more. So these are some of the examples of artificial intelligence. Then next we are going to see the history of artificial intelligence. So everyone are having the question, that is artificial intelligence born or made? So while artificial intelligence is among today's most popular topics, a commonly forgotten fact is that it was actually born in 1950 and went through a hype cycle between 1956 and 1982. So, in 1950, English mathematician Alan Turing wrote a landmark paper titled Computing Machinery and Intelligence that asked the question, can machines think? Further work came out of a 1956 workshop at Dartmouth sponsored by John McCarthy. In the proposal for that workshop, he coined the phrase a study of artificial intelligence. So the next we are going to see how the artificial intelligence get rise. So the origin of artificial intelligence involves seven stages. The first stage is rule-based system, and the next one is context awareness and retention, and the third one is domain-specific aptitude, and next one is reasoning system, and the fifth stage is artificial general intelligence, and the sixth stage is artificial superintelligence, and the last one is singularity and excellency. And there are four pillars in artificial intelligence. So to embed these into everyday process, they also need the right organizational, technical, operational, and reputational scaffolding. The USA is one of the top countries for machine learning engineers for its large number of companies that specialized in machine learning, artificial intelligence, robotics, and other advanced technologies. So the reason for arising artificial intelligence is that the need to boost customer experience, employee efficiency, and to accelerate innovation. Then we are going to see the current status of artificial intelligence. While artificial intelligence has become around for more than just a few years, nowadays it has been an exponentially growing influence on the development of our society, economy, and military. It's so rapidly evolving and being deployed that we can see it change the way we learn and interact. Next, we are going to see the challenges of artificial intelligence. There are four challenges in artificial intelligence. The first one is computing power, then tolerance power, intuitive thinking, and the last one is judging power. First one is computing power. Computing power is nothing but if two processors have the same computing power, if they can run the same programs, that is after translation into each processor's machine language and produce the same results. So it is one of the main challenges in artificial intelligence. Then the next challenge is tolerance power. Tolerance power is nothing but tolerance analysis is about determining how close something is to the mark and how far it will deviate. So this is also one of the challenges in artificial intelligence. And the third one is intuitive thinking. Artificial intelligence allows system to detect threats, problems as well as opportunities without knowing what exactly they are looking for or being told what to look for. So this is also one of the challenges for in artificial intelligence. Then the last one is judging power. And the use of the artificial intelligence in the legal domain can give judges extraordinary resources. However, it can't replace the judge's expertise. So these are the four main challenges in artificial intelligence. So next we are going to see the future scope of artificial intelligence. So, according to the research by scientists at the University of Oxford, artificial intelligence will be better than humans at translating languages by 2024, writing school essays by 2026, selling goods by 2031, write a best selling book by 2049, and conducting surgeries by 2053. The another major future scope of artificial intelligence are self-driving cars. In future, we can see the car without drivers. And the next one is improved medical care and treatment. And there are so many future scope in by using artificial intelligence. So now we are going to see the advantages and disadvantages of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is one of the amazing technologies which tries to simulate human reasoning in artificial intelligence system. John McCarthy invented the term artificial intelligence in the year 1950. He said every aspect of learning or any other feature of intelligence can in principle be so precisely described that a machine can be made to simulate it. An attempt will be made to find how to make machines use language, form abstractions and concepts, solve kinds of problems now reserved for humans and improve themselves. So artificial intelligence is the ability of a computer program to learn and think. Everything can be considered artificial intelligence if it involves a program doing something that would be normally think would rely on the intelligence of a human. The advantage of artificial intelligence applications are enormous and can revolutionize any professional sector. Let's see some of them. The first one is reduction in human error. The phrase human error was born because humans can make mistakes from time to time. Computers, however, do not make these mistakes if they are programmed properly. With artificial intelligence, the decisions are taken from the previously gathered information, applying a certain set of algorithms. So, errors are reduced, and the chance of reaching accuracy with a greater degree of precision is a possibility. For example, we can say in weather forecasting using artificial intelligence, they have reduced the majority of human error. Then the next advantage is taste takes risk instead of humans. This is one of the biggest advantages of artificial intelligence. We can overcome many risky limitations of humans by developing an artificial intelligence robot which can do the risky things for us. Let it be going to Mars, defuse a bomb, explore the deepest part of oceans, mining for coal and oil. It can be used effectively in any kind of natural or man made disasters. For example, have you heard about the Chernobyl nuclear power plant explosion in Ukraine? At that time, there were no AI powered robots that can help us to minimize the effect of radiation by controlling the fire in early stages, as any human when close to the core was dead in a matter of minutes. They eventually poured sand and boron from helicopters from a mere distance. AI robots can be used in such situations where invention can be hazardous. And the third advantage is it will be available for 22 cross 7 hours. Then the advantages helping in repetitive jobs. In our day to day work, we will be performing many repetitive works like sending a thanking mail, verifying certain documents for errors, and many more things. Using artificial intelligence, we can productively automate these mundane tasks and can remove boring tasks for humans and free them up to be increasing creative. For example, in banks, we often see many verification of documents to get a loan, which is a repetitive task for a owner of the bank. Using artificial intelligence cognitive automation, the owner can speed up the process of verifying the documents by which both the customers and the owner will be benefited. And the next advantage is digital assistants. So some of the highly advanced organizations use this digital assistants to interact with users, which saves the need for human resources. The digital assistants also used in many websites to provide things that users want. We can chat with them about what we are looking for. Some chatbots are designed in such a way that it becomes hard to determine that we are chatting with a chatbot or a human being. For example, we all know that organizations have a customer support team that needs to clarify the doubts and queries of the customers. Using artificial intelligence, the organization can set up a voice bot or chat bot which can help customers with all their queries. We can see many organizations already started using them on their websites and mobile application. Then the next important advantages is faster decisions. Using artificial intelligence, other technologies, we can make machines take decisions faster than a human and carry out actions quicker. While taking a decision, human will analyze many factors both emotionally and practically. But artificial intelligence powered machine works on what it is programmed and delivers the results in a faster way. For example, we all have played chess games in Windows. It is nearly impossible to beat CPU in the hard mode because of the AI behind that game. It will take the best possible step in a very short time according to the algorithms used behind it. Then the next important advantage is daily applications. Daily applications such as Apple Siri, Window Cortana, Google's OK Google are frequently used in our daily routine, whether it is for searching a location, taking a selfie, making a phone call, replying to a mail, and many more. For example, around 20 years ago, when we are planning to go somewhere, we used to ask a person who already went there for a direction, but now all we have to do is say, "Okay, Google, where is Visakhapatnam?" It will show you Visakhapatnam location on Google Map and the best path between you and Visakhapatnam. So, these are the major advantages of using artificial intelligence. As very bright side has a darker version in it. Artificial intelligence also has some disadvantages. Let's see some of them. The first disadvantages is that high cost of creation. As artificial intelligence is updating every day, the hardware and software need to get updated with time to meet the latest requirements. Machines need repairing and maintenance, which need plenty of cost. Its creation require huge cost as they are very complex machines. Then the next disadvantages is making humans lazy. Artificial intelligence is making humans lazy with its applications automating the majority of the work. Humans tend to get addicted to these inventions which can cause a problem to future generation. And the third one is unemployment. As artificial intelligence is replacing the majority of the repetitive tasks and other works with robots, human interference is becoming less, which will cause a major problem in the employment standards. Every organization is looking to replace the minimum qualified individuals with artificial intelligence robots, which can do similar work with more efficiency. And the fourth one is it does not have any emotions. There is no doubt that machines are much better when it comes to working efficiently, but they cannot replace the human connection that makes the team. Machines cannot develop a bond with humans, which is an essential attribute when it comes to team management. And the last one is lacking out of box thinking. Machines can perform only those tasks which can they are assigned or programmed to do. Anything out of that, they tend to crash or give irrelevant outputs, which could be a major backdrop. So, these are some advantages and disadvantages of artificial intelligence. Every new invention or breakthrough will have both, but we as humans need to take care of that and use the positive sides of the invention to create a better world. So, artificial intelligence have massive potential advantages. The key for humans will ensure the rise of the robots does not get out of hand. Some people also say that artificial intelligence can destroy human civilization if it goes into the wrong hands. But still, none of the artificial intelligence applications made out that scale that can destroy or enslave humanity. So next we are going to see about conclusion of artificial intelligence. Finally, we can say that the artificial intelligence is the intelligence of machines and the branch of computer science that aims to create it. Artificial intelligence textbooks defines the field as the study and design of artificial intelligent agents, where an intelligent agent is a system that pursues its environment and takes action that maximize the chances of its success. Jan McCarthy, who coined the term in 1955, defines it as the science and engineering of making intelligent machines. I hope this session is useful. Thank you.